This is actually the book that coined the phrase disruptive innovation. I was initially exposed to it because I took a course at Wharton from this author's son, who's a professor there at the Wharton School of Business at Penn. The book explains that there's two kinds of innovations. There's sustaining innovations and there's disruptive innovations. Sustaining innovations are new technologies that favor existing companies and incumbent firms because it allows them to compete on the same axes or dimensions of competition that are already in play, and they can be very costly to develop and to deploy. Disruptive innovations, on the other hand, actually enable new firms to come in and compete and win. The reason why disruptive innovations enable that is because it allows new entrant firms to deliver comparable products or services on a much more cost-effective business model. So initially, these new firms that are built on disruptive innovations, they focus on particular items in a larger value chain or at the lower end of the value chain. But as they get better and better, they work their way up to compete directly against the existing companies. And by the time they get there, they're able to be radically out-competing the existing firms because they're delivering superior products and services on a much better cost structure. And the existing firms can't compete because they don't want to dramatically lower their prices. They don't want to cannibalize their own business with the new way of operating. And so the innovator's dilemma explains that disruptive innovations actually cause companies that are big and well established and run well to fail against new firms that are built on the next generation disruptive technology and the much better cost structure that it enables.